welcome to Mount Carmel High Secondary School, subject social science. आज हम बच्चों इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ेंगे वाटर. Water is a valuable resource. It fulfills our basic needs. It is essential for life on the earth. 70% of surface is covered with burr, but small part is usable. Sources of water: glaciers, rivers, lakes, and main sources of water is rain. Uses of water: water is used for drinking, irrigation, power generation, transport, domestic purpose. Types of water: first, surface water, which available in rivers, ponds, lakes. This is the surface water. Groundwater, some part of rainwater, which is soaked by the rain and which is very useful for agriculture and vegetation to grow. And rest the water collected below the surface as groundwater. Atmospheric water, this is in the form of water vapor, therefore it is not used. Ocean water, this type of water is mainly used for transport and fishing industry. Water conservation. हम वाटर को क्यों कंजर्व करते हैं? Because water is very useful in our life. And steps of water conservation: to collect the rainwater and stop it from draining off. Scientific management of the water resources of all the rivers, watersheds, minor to major. And rainwater harvesting, हम कैसे रेन वाटर जो पानी वर्षा का पानी है उसको कैसे हार्वेस्ट करना है, कलेक्ट करना है. एंड प्रिवेंशन ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज फ्रॉम पॉल्यूशन से हमें इसको बचाना है. नेक्स्ट हम पढ़ेंगे फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. फॉरेस्ट को पीएच चतुर्वर्ग ने डिफाइन किया है. फॉरेस्ट आर द नेशनल वेल्थ एंड आर वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर सिविलाइजेशन. They not only provide wood but also provide variety of raw material, fodder, and generate national income. Importance or benefits of forest. It is divided in two parts, direct and indirect. So what is the direct benefits or importance of our forest? First is forest provide wood. Forest provide material for industry. Grazing land for animals, employment. Forests provide us log, sandalwood, oil, and artistic things made up of wood which are exported to get foreign exchange. Revenue generation. Government receives crores of rupees from the forest as a revenue and royalty. Indirect benefits. First, soil erosion. Trees hold the fertile top layer of the soil. Therefore, trees reduce soil erosion. Check floods. Increases water level. Increases soil fertility. Effect on quality of oxygen and natural beauty. What is the methods of forest conservation in India? Government established some government agencies, in which first is in 1950 after independence, Central Forest Board was established. In this, forest area should be increased to 33% and forestation, protection of forest and forestry research. Establishment of Central Forest Commission. In this, Central Forest Commission collect information and data to broadcast technical information and development of the forest. Establishment of Forest Research and Education. It was established at Dehradun. This institution established at Dehradun. Forest Conservation Act. In 1918, central government passed Forest Conservation Act, according to which forest land cannot be converted into agriculture land without the permission of government. State Forest Development Corporation. Government established some corporation. These were to prevent cutting of forest, and this practice, this corporation was established in 19 states. Next, Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an important topic of the forest conservation. In 1950, K. M. Munshi, who are the agriculture minister, had started the Van Mahotsav in this plant more trees movement to increase the forest area and to motivate people for plantation. One tree for one child. This slogan is developed in school and colleges. Next, wildlife. Why is wildlife conservation necessary? Animal and wildlife are one of the important forest resources because they provide many useful products and an important source of government revenue. Next is, man has destroyed wildlife along with forests, due to which existence of wildlife is in danger. Due to our cause, population of lion, tiger and elephant etc. is decreasing. Wildlife and animals to be saved for ecological balance. Conservation of wildlife. Steps of conservation of wildlife. First, safeguarding the national habitat of the wild animals. Hunting should be restricted. Establishing biosphere reserves in forest areas. Educating public for environmental protection at levels of education. Implementation of wildlife management program. About the video, some questions are asking here. First is write types of sources of water. Second, discuss with methods of water conservation. Third, explain benefits importance of forest. Next, describe the role of government agencies for forest conservation. Fifth, why is wildlife conservation is necessary? And last question, explain methods of conservation of wildlife. Thank you.